So we have to integrate s square minus square root of s divided by x ds. So this x here will divide both numerator this way to be the same thing as s square over s minus root s over s, because if I have 2 plus 3 divided by 4, now this 4 can affect the two numbers. It can be like 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4, as in you can split. So that is what I did here. So now this s will cancel out, so this is s minus, so this is s raised to power half minus 1 over 1, because root s, as in square root of s, is s raised to power half, then divided by s raised to power 1. So in law of indices, if the base are the same, take 1 and subtract the power, like that. So this is integral of s raised to x minus s raised to power minus half, so ds, because if you have half minus 1, that is minus half, so half minus 1 over 1. LCM is what? 2. 2 into 1, then 1 into 2. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 over half, minus 1 over 2, sorry. So now integrate one by one. So remember, this power is 1, and for integration you add 1 to the power divided by the power, as in that's the formula. So add 1 to the power divided by that power. Do the same thing here, minus s raised to power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. So this is s raised to power 2 over 2 minus, so now minus half plus 1, that is 1 over 2, minus half plus 1 again, 1 over 2. So that is minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1. LCM 2. 2 into 1. So 1 times minus 1 plus 1 into 2. 2 times 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 over 2. Like that. Now, this is the same thing as s square over 2 minus 2 s raised to power half over 1. So these two here will go up. Why? Because this is like saying divided by, let me show that part. If you have s raised to power half, as in divided by 1 over 2, anytime division change to times, then the 2 will go up, 1 will come down. So that is 2s raised to power half. Now you can change that s raised to power half back. So this is the same thing as s square over 2 minus 2 roots s plus c, so constant. So this s raised to power half is square root of s. So we have solved the question.